Namaste. Welcome to Sri Saraswati Vidyalayam News Bulletin. I am Devika AB. I am a study student of the school. Let us gather the international news. Mexico wants migration bill not slow with more US investment in Central America. President Biden has vowed to focus on the underlying causes of migration in Central America by working to reduce poverty, violence, and corruption. The United States need to invest more heavily in Central America if it hopes to slow migration. The records of the level northbound migration, Mexico's Foreign Minister Marcelo Ebrard said on Wednesday. India rejects China's opposition to Venkaiah Naidu's Arunachal trip. Beijing asked New Delhi to stop taking actions that would complicate and expand the boundary issue. Amid continuing tensions between them in Ladakh, India and China on Wednesday exchanged sharp statements on Vice President Venkaiah Naidu's visit to Arunachal Pradesh. New Delhi said that rejected a Chinese statement firmly opposing the visit. Let us switch over to the national news. 100 new Sainik schools to admit students from the academic year 2022 to 2023. The 100 new Sainik schools to be set up under public-private partnership will function in an exclusive way distinct from the existing schools under Ministry of Defense, and admissions are targeted for academic year 2022 to 2023 according to a senior Ministry of Defense official. TOEFL in pen and paper format from December 11. The test of English as a foreign language, better known as TOEFL, will have available as a pen and paper test starting December 11. Registrations are now open in India. The Test Honor Education Testing Service announced on Wednesday. TOEFL is a standardized test which assesses a candidate's speaking, listening, reading and writing skills. Let us switch over to the state news. Adani Group take over Thiruvananthapuram International Airport operations from October 14. Thiruvananthapuram International Airport operations takeover comes and amidst opposition from the state government and the airport authority employees union, which had moved court against airport privatizations. The Adani Group will take over the operations and management of the Thiruvananthapuram International Airport from October 14. Disaster management plans for all tourism destinations in Wayanad. The Wayanad District Administrations, in association with District Tourism Promotion Council, has launched disaster resident tourist destinations under the Wayanad Tourism's Safe Tourism campaign, as is mostly used to universities to judge the English proficiency of applicants from non-English speaking countries. Let us switch over to the school news.
Today, our school celebrated the second day of Navaratri festival. The teachers and some other persons assembled at the school and they offered prayer. Some bhajans were also chanted. The sutras of Saundarya Lahari was also recited with great dignity. The Samiti members, principal, teachers, etc. were there. It was a serene ambience and we felt the presence of Goddess Saraswati there. It was a wonderful moment. Let's watch the visuals.
Gajananam bhutaganati sevitam kabitha jambho palasara pakshitam umasutam shoka vinashakaranam namami vikneshwara pada pangajam Saraswati namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada Hamsavahana Devi Amba Saraswati Hamsavahana Devi Amba Saraswati Hamsavahana Devi Amba Saraswati Hamsavahana Devi Amba Saraswati Navil Vannu Nadana Madum Amba Saraswati നാവിൽ വന്നു നടനമാടും അംബാ സരസ്വതി. അംബാ സരസ്വതി എൻ തായേ സരസ്വതി. അംബാ സരസ്വതി എൻ തായേ സരസ്വതി. വീണാപാണി പുസ്തകപാണിനി അംബാ സരസ്വതി. വീണാപാണി പുസ്തകപാണിനി അംബാ സരസ്വതി. വീണാപാണി പുസ്തകപാണിനി അംബാ സരസ്വതി. വീണാപാണി പുസ്തകപാണിനി അംബാ സരസ്വതി. അംബാ സരസ്വതി എൻ തായേ സരസ്വതി. അംബാ സരസ്വതി എൻ തായേ സരസ്വതി. നാദഗാനവിലോലിനി അംബാ സരസ്വതി. നാദഗാനവിലോലിനി അംബാ സരസ്വതി. നാദഗാനവിനോദിനി അംബാ സരസ്വതി. നാദഗാനവിനോദിനി അംബാ സരസ്വതി. അംബാ സരസ്വതി എൻ തായേ സരസ്വതി. അംബാ സരസ്വതി എൻ തായേ സരസ്വതി. ഹംസവാഹന ദേവി അംബാ സരസ്വതി. ഹംസവാഹന ദേവി അംബാ സരസ്വതി. ഹംസവാഹന ദേവി അംബാ സരസ്വതി. ഹംസവാഹന ദേവി അംബാ സരസ്വതി. കയ്യിലൊരു വീണയുമായി പൂവിൽ കണ്ടു ദേവി സരസ്വതി ദേവി. ഭജന പാടും ഞങ്ങളെ നീ കാത്തരുളുക ദേവി. കാത്തരുളുക ദേവി. കയ്യിലൊരു വീണയുമായി പൂവിൽ കണ്ടു ദേവി സരസ്വതി ദേവി. ഭജന പാടും ഞങ്ങളെ നീ കാത്തരുളുക ദേവി. കാത്തരുളുക ദേവി. അന്നഭ്രമം ചിഹ്നഭ്രമം ചെയ്തിടാം ഞാൻ ദേവി. കാരുണികര ദേവി. ഭജന പാടും ഞങ്ങളെ നീ കാത്തരുളുക ദേവി. കാത്തരുളുക ദേവി. അന്നഭ്രമം ചിഹ്നഭ്രമം ചെയ്തിടാം ഞാൻ ദേവി. ചോറ്റാനിക്കര ദേവി. ഭജന പാടും ഞങ്ങളെ നീ കാത്തരുളുക ദേവി. കാത്തരുളുക ദേവി. ദേവി 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 അമ്മേ മഹാമായേ. 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 അമ്മേ മഹാമായേ. അമ്മേ മഹാമായേ. അമ്മേ മഹാമായേ. അമ്മേ മഹാമായേ. ചോറ്റാനിക്കര വാഴും കാർത്യായനി മായേ. ചോറ്റാനിക്കര വാഴും കാർത്യായനി മായേ. അമ്മേ മഹാമായേ. അമ്മേ മഹാമായേ. അമ്മേ മഹാമായേ. അമ്മേ മഹാമായേ. ദേവി 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 അമ്മേ മഹാമായേ. ദേവി 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 അമ്മേ മഹാമായേ. അമ്മേ മഹാമായേ. അമ്മേ മഹാമായേ. അമ്മേ മഹാമായേ. അമ്മേ മഹാമായേ. കൊടുങ്ങല്ലൂരിൽ വാഴും കണ്ണകി മഹാമായേ. കൊടുങ്ങല്ലൂരിൽ വാഴും കണ്ണകി മഹാമായേ. അമ്മേ മഹാമായേ. അമ്മേ മഹാമായേ. അമ്മേ മഹാമായേ. അമ്മേ മഹാമായേ. ദേവി 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 അമ്മേ മഹാമായേ. ദേവി 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 അമ്മേ മഹാമായേ. അമ്മേ മഹാമായേ. അമ്മേ മഹാമായേ. മൂകാംബികയിൽ വാഴും വിദ്യാദായിനി മായേ. മൂകാംബികയിൽ വാഴും വിദ്യാദായിനി മായേ. അമ്മേ മഹാമായേ. അമ്മേ മഹാമായേ. അമ്മേ മഹാമായേ. അമ്മേ മഹാമായേ. ദേവി 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 അമ്മേ മഹാമായേ. ദേവി 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 അമ്മേ മഹാമായേ. അമ്മേ മഹാമായേ. അമ്മേ മഹാമായേ. അമ്മേ മഹാമായേ. അമ്മേ മഹാമായേ. ശിവശക്ത്യാ യുക്തോ यदि भवति शक्तप्रभवितुं न चेदेवं देवो न खलु कुशलस्पन्दितुमपि अतस्त्वामाराध्या हरिहरविरिञ्जातिभिरपि प्रणन्तुं स्तोतुं वा कथमकृतपुण्यप्रभवति तनीयां सम्पांसुं तव चरणपङ्गेरुहभवं विरिञ्जि सञ्जिन्वन् विरचयति लोकानविकलम् वहत्येनं शौरी कथमपि सहस्रेण शिरसा हरः संक्षुदैन्यं भजति भसितोद्धुलनविधिम् अविद्यानामन्दस्थिमिरमिहिरद्वीपनगरे जडानां चैतन्यस्तबकमकरन्दश्रुतिझरी दरिद्राणां चिन्ता मणिगुणनिका जन्मजलधौ निमग्नानां दंष्ट्रा मुररिपुवराहस्य भवति त्वदन्यपाणिभ्याम् अभयवरदो दैवतगणः त्वमेका नैवासि प्रकटितवराभीत्याभिनया भयात्रातुं दातुं बलमपि च वाञ्छासमधिकं शरण्ये लोकानां तव हि चरणावेव निपुणा हरिस्त्वामाराध्या प्रणतजनसौभाग्यजननी पुरानारी भूत्वा पुररिपुमपि क्षोभमनयत् स्मरोऽपि त्वां नत्वा रतिनयनलेहेन वपुषा मुनीनामाप्यन्दा प्रभवति हि मोहाय महता धनुः पौष्पं मौर्वी मधुकरमयी पञ्चविशिखाः वसन्तः सामन्दो मलयमरुदायोधनरथः तथाप्येक सर्वं हिमगिरिसुते कामपि कृपाम् अपाङ्गाते लब्ध्वा जगदिदमनङ्गो विजयते
Today is the 8th day of the 9th-day auspicious festival of Sharad Navratri, which marks the victory of good over evil. On each day of Navratri, a different form of Ma Durga is worshipped by the devotees. Goddess Mahagauri, the 8th avatar of Goddess Durga and amongst the Navadurgas, is worshipped on the 8th day, which is known as Ashtami. Ma Mahagauri is believed to be an avatar of Devi Parvati, the divine consort of Lord Shiva. Unlike Ma Kalratri, who is ferocious, Mahagauri is calm and compassionate. She is depicted in white clothes and mounted on a bull. It is believed that anyone who worships the goddess gets relief from all the sufferings in life. It is believed that Goddess Mahagauri has the power to fulfill all the desires of her devotees. Mahagauri has 4 arms. Her right arm is in the pose of allaying fear and her right lower hand holds a trend in it. She holds a tambourine in her left upper arm and the lower one is in the form of a blessing. The name Mahagauri means extremely white as she was white in color and believed to be very beautiful. Subhash Chandra Bose. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, as he is fondly known as, is one of the most revered freedom fighters of India. Bose was one of the brightest students since his school days. Since his young days, he was highly influenced by Vivekananda's teachings and considered him as his spiritual guru. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's life is a story of struggle. He was so fond of Bharat Mata that his country tied to the chains of slavery did not let him live peacefully. People beyond India's borders also developed a fascination for him. Heads of states of important countries stood by him, and Netaji lit the fire of freedom struggle beyond India's shores. He built a force and presented the force before the enemies of the country as the Azad Hind Fauj. He gave the slogan of Delhi Chalo with a new spirit. With the slogan "Give me blood and I will give you freedom," he started preparing to awaken the country. Such was the charisma of his philosophy and personality that whoever listened to him was attracted to him. His popularity skyrocketed and he became Netaji to the general public.
Hi everyone, I am Adi Krishna. Here I introduce some words. Vulture, rhinoceros, xylophone, kangaroo, toadlet. Thank you. My name is Satik Vinayak. Hippopotamus, rhinoceros, elephant, lion, tiger, bear, zebra. Thank you.